Welcome to Evolution in Controls. I'm your host, Tim Wilson. Thank you for joining us. This is a special edition of Evolution in Controls. We're here at Marel's headquarters in Auburn Hills at the Automate the Future event. It's being held in conjunction with the Automate show in downtown Detroit. We're talking to vendors, we're talking to customers, we're talking to people that are interested in technology and looking at the future and what role it has in automation. Today I have a special guest, Mr. Armando Gonzalez. He's with AMR Robotics, and he is the business leader for them here in North America. Armando, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Well, tell me a little bit about yourself. What's your background? How long have you been with Bosch Rexroth?
So I joined Bosch Rexroth back in January of 2021.
Okay.
Right. So I've been in the automation industry since 2003. So industrial automation's kind of in my blood. Right out of college, had experience with key sensors, and that's where I kind of cut my teeth with sensing technology, programmable logic controllers, vision technology, and sensing. All the core technologies of automation. Right.
So tell me a little bit about AMR Robotics.
So AMR Robotics is a relatively new business, a product group within Rexroth. We started by developing an internal AMR solution that we call Active Shuttle.
Okay.
The reason why we developed the Active Shuttle is because many of our 300 Bosch facilities, right, global, are looking for ways to help support our workforce in taking over some of those mundane tasks that they battle on a day-to-day basis. So we developed this Active Shuttle to work alongside them and help them out a little bit.
So you got started in this product group by doing something for your own factories.
Correct.
And then you've taken it and you're releasing it to the marketplace?
That's right.
So you fixed your need and you figure if you can fix your need, you can fix other people.
You got it.
That's good strategy.
We think of it as an uncompetitive advantage within Bosch, right? I mean, there's not a lot of vendors out there, manufacturers that can say that we actually use it, right, before we offer it to the external market. And within Bosch, I mean, that's what we do.
I like it.
So it's a great talking piece, it's a great showpiece. We can bring customers in to actually see our technology deployed and see it, using it for our products.
So the listeners of Evolution and Control are interested in automation. They're interested in technology. Tell me a little bit about the technology behind what you're offering. And are you showing something new at Automate?
Absolutely. So I'm really excited. We just launched our new autonomous mobile robot. It's our 1-ton capacity AMR unit that we built in collaboration with Geek Plus. Geek Plus is a globally known AMR manufacturer, 20,000 plus robots deployed globally, and they were a first adopter of a Bosch Rexroth locating software that's embedded within their robot. This software is really unique in the sense that it maps out your facility and it has built-in intelligence to map out your facility, see changes within their environment, and then communicate it out to their fleet.
And respond to the changes in the environment?
That's right. So what that enables you to do is deploy these robots quicker.
Okay, all right.
So you can bring them online within days versus weeks.
Well, let's talk a little bit more about technology. You've been involved in the industry for a while now. What do you see as the most impactful technology?
Right now, definitely the collaborative robots, right? I mean, even before COVID, customers were coming to us, and I'm not talking about large, major, Fortune 500 companies. I'm talking about even small, family-owned companies looking for innovative ways to get more out of their production, right? To help meet aggressive throughputs, to help them fulfill contracts that they just landed. And they would come to us looking for collaborative robots to help augment some of the worker or their operator tasks on a day-to-day basis.
People talk about the impact technology can have on a company. What do you see as the impacts?
Well, safeties for one. Okay. I mean, that's a big impact. I mean, we'll take AMRs for example. I mean, did you realize in 2020 there was at least 80 fatalities just contributed to forklifts over 7,000 accidents that happen in your facility in 1 year. I mean, that safety is a major concern within our customers, within our end users, right?
Is that the only impact that it has on the workforce, though?
Well, one is reducing the strenuous activities, the strenuous tasks, to help get more value out of your workforce.
So safety, improving safety for the workers, reducing the workload on the people. What are some of the downsides of technology? What do people think the downsides of technology are?
Well, I've been in robotics since 2006. And since I joined the industry, there's always been this notion that robots are here to take our jobs, and that couldn't be further from the truth, right? Robots are actually here to improve our jobs, and it's humans. Humans are the key to making robots successful in the manufacturing space and in warehouses and in distribution centers. The adoption of robots and preparing your manufacturing facilities for the introduction of robots is absolutely key for them to be successful.
Are there any specific industries that you focus on or stay away from?
It's a good question. I mean, the unique thing within Rexroth is we're in aerospace, we're in automotive, we're in fast-moving consumer goods, we're industrial, we're in commercial. So this technology actually covers all the major markets. So there's even robots in hospitals, right? So the opportunities are endless.
Are they moving beds? Are they delivering drugs?
They're delivering drugs. They're helping nurses, right? When we all know with COVID, there's a shortage of personnel. So that personnel definitely needs to maximize their time. And what these robots do is take on those repetitive, mundane tasks that it might be a 15-minute session to walk across your hospital floor or your manufacturing facility, for instance. But if you can eliminate that and multiply that over a shift, you can get some good gains.
So really the impact of this technology is augmenting what people do rather than replacing what people do.
Yeah, you nailed it.
Okay. So, I appreciate the time you've taken with us today. I like to close with kind of one question on evolution and control. I like to look ahead at the future, and I'd like to know what you think. What does the future look like 5 years down the road for AMR, for Bosch Rexroth, for technology?
Yeah, so when you think about it, we're currently at about a 10% adoption rate. Meaning we're so early, right? To take a term that they use in NFTs and crypto, we're early, guys.
Yeah.
The adoption of robots is just starting, and everyone is looking into this type of technology to see how they can help their current workforce, help their production initiatives, and help them grow. Right? So in 5 years, I see a lot more adoption into robotics, and I see that technology just evolving as we go.
Is it possible that we can't even estimate the economic impact of the automation?
We can't. We can talk about it now, but as these robots get implemented, we find more opportunities where they make a perfect fit.
So what you're saying is there's no end to this automation in sight. Automation is going to father and foster more automation.
Automation's here to stay.
Awesome. On that note, Armando, thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Okay. And thank you for joining us. I'm Tim Wilson, your host, and remember, keep moving.